guys and welcome to today's video. I'm having a really bad hair day, which is such a first world problem, but it's just weird. I don't even know what's going on, to be honest, but basically I'm having a bad hair day. I also really want to quickly apologise for not uploading for like a solid week. I wanted to upload loads, but basically starting a week ago, a little bit more than a week ago I think, drilling started outside of my house and it has been endless. It's even been happening on Saturdays and it's so loud and it's like the drilling is going on inside my head and I honestly just can't bear it. Actually, I think it's been like 10 days almost. But today I thought I would share with you a few stocking filler ideas. This isn't my beauty one. I'm going to do a beauty stocking filler video next. I'll probably upload it Tuesday. It kind of depends a little bit on when I film it, because I would film it straight after this video, but because I'm having a bad hair day, I feel like I don't want 2 videos with my bad hair day, so we're going to save that. Although I'm calling this my stocking filler video, it's great for just slightly cheaper gifts and great for Secret Santa as well. The first thing I'm going to start with are coffee cups and water bottles. I just think there's some really great ones out there. These are from Skinny Dip. This one's £14 and this one is £24. With Skinny Dip you are kind of paying for a cool print. I particularly like the water bottle with the peaches, but equally you can get great coffee cups from Keep Cup and great water bottles from either Chili's or Corksicle. And actually I think maybe Corksicle even do good coffee mugs, but these are also very pretty. I really like these. The only thing I would say personally is that I don't like these rubber soft lids for coffee cups. I like a hard one, so it's just worth bearing in mind that maybe the person you're buying for has a preference too. Maybe they like the soft ones, maybe they like the hard ones, but it's really eco-friendly and really cute as well. The next 2 items are from the Giovanna Fletcher range for boots, I believe, or maybe for boots and Superdry. I'm a bit unsure, but I got to meet Giovanna Fletcher and she was such a babe, and the range is really lovely, very reasonably priced as well. For example, these are a pair of slippers for £14 and they look really cozy, and slippers are always a good idea in my opinion. I know that the White Company ones that I showed you in my last video are stunning and I love them, but they are more than double the price of these, and these look really cute as well. They just say, if you love me, let me sleep. And then for anyone that loves hot chocolate, this is the Happy Heart glass mug shaker and stencil set. This is cute. I really like in particular the shaker and stencil, because I do find that nice glasses are relatively easy to find, but I really like the idea of the shaker and the stencil set. There's the word love, a heart, a moon and a star, a smiley face and a Christmas tree. And this is again only £14, and I believe the whole range is part of the Boots 3 for 2 range. So the next item is quite a random one, but it's this really beautiful aubergine coloured bum bag. I would personally probably wear it like this. I just think this is such a nice bag. The reason I decided to include this is because it's such a good price. It's about the £14 mark, and I just think as a steal, it looks really luxe. It's got like a really beautiful croc print. It doesn't have any like extra pockets on the outside, but I don't really mind that. There is a pocket on the inside and it's got an adjustable strap. The only thing I would say is that unlike a regular bum bag, it hasn't got clips, so you'd have to probably put this on if you wanted to wear it around your hips and then tighten it. But I think it's because most of us nowadays wear them like this and it's very easy to wear like that, and I just think this is lovely and it's just such a good price as well. My next idea is hair accessories. Hair accessories are everywhere at the moment. They're relatively affordable typically. I have this headband from Skinny Dip. I'm gonna come down and show you, which I really love. I would say it rolls a little bit. That's the only downside of this one in particular, but I think the pearls are beautiful. I really like them. But any sort of headband I think is a great gift, and they're relatively affordable as well. But also these sort of hair clips are great. Any sort of like cool clip, I really like these. These are from a brand called Kitsch, which do a really great range of hair products, and they really vary in price. Some of them are quite expensive, but this is their core range, and these aren't too bad. I must admit, I feel like I'm not cool enough for these, but I just really like them. Also, I can't really see how I'm putting them in. But I just think hair accessories are a really great option. They're typically quite affordable as well, although you can definitely go for like a really luxury hair slide, like a Gucci one or something like that. But can I just say that I am absolutely loving headbands on slightly older, like middle-aged women. I just think they look so cool on them, probably even more so than on like younger people. I actually might suggest to my mum her wearing one, but I think she's going to say absolutely not. If the person you're buying for is confident and like cool enough, I think headbands really work for any age. So my next suggestion is a little bit expensive in my opinion to be a stocking filler, but I just wanted to put them in somewhere and I thought to put them in my other video, so I'm just going to slide it in here. But it's sunglasses. Of course some sunglasses are super expensive. These are very much a mid-price point. These are from Key. I love these. They're a little bit dirty now that I put them on my face in front of the bright light, but I love these. These are my current sunglasses. These are called After Hours, and they're by Key. Love these, but you can also get them a slightly more affordable pair from somewhere. I just think sunglasses are a great gift, partly because I just love sunglasses generally, and personally I wear sunglasses even in winter, which is a little bit controversial, but I have very sensitive eyes, so I wear them all year round. And the other item, which I don't really have to show you, is I think scarves, hats and gloves are great gifts, but I don't have anything new, and I think it's a bit pointless me showing you my old hat, scarves and gloves, but they definitely do make great gifts. And then another thing from Skinny Dip which I think is fab are their phone cases. These are for an iPhone 7 and 8 Plus because I have an 8 Plus, so these fit my phone. It's very hard at the moment to find cases for the newest iPhones, so just bear that in mind a little bit. I did find some in Kate Spade, but the options weren't great, so I didn't actually pick any up because I wanted to give one as a gift. But if you're looking for an 8 Plus, even an X, I think you'll be able to find very easily. I would definitely recommend looking for one that fits their personality. I would probably avoid a super plain one just because I find them a little bit boring. This one here is £22 and this one's £18, so they're not the cheapest phone cases, but they look really nice. I'll open this one up because this one's going to go on my phone. It's just that I need a new pop socket if I'm going to use this, which is why I haven't started using it yet. Looks like this. It's padded on the inside, which my current one definitely isn't. Look how nice that is. Oh, I really like that. I'm going to order a new pop socket today so that I can start using this. I might order myself a little gold pop socket. But even pop sockets are definitely great stocking fillers. I get mine off eBay because sometimes pop sockets are extortionate and I don't want to pay like £20 for a pop socket, and on eBay they're very, very reasonably priced. But yeah, phone cases, pop sockets, great Christmas gift. Then again, this is quite an obvious one. Books are great gifts. This is the Adam Kay 'Twas the Night Shift Before Christmas. This is a really easy read, actually potentially a little bit too easy in my opinion, but it's a good gift. I think this is about the £5 mark, so very affordable. It's great for anyone whether they love to read or don't love to read because it is so short, but it's very funny. I have just started reading this and I'm hoping to finish this weekend because you can definitely read this in a weekend, so it's a great one for maybe someone to read over Boxing Day. And his first book was amazing and a bestseller, and I think this one's following in the first one's footsteps, but this one is definitely much shorter than the original. But you can obviously get other books, fiction, non-fiction. Cookbooks are really great gifts. In particular, I have my eye on the Jamie Oliver Veg. It's supposed to be really, really good. And books generally, really great, really affordable gifts. So when it comes to chocolate, there's loads of different chocolates I could talk about obviously, but I've just got two personalized options which I really, really like. So from Quality Street, they do this and you can get your name on them. I've got my surname, which is Babbo, so I've got Babbo Street. Great for a family. If you're going around to their house for Christmas, then it's a really great gift to bring along, in my opinion, which you can all enjoy. And I actually think I'm going to be keeping this tin and just like filling it with stuff throughout the years because it's just cool. I really, really do like this, and I like that it's my surname and not my first name. Actually, I'm a bit, I don't know, basically it's up to you which one you get. There's kind of pros to both of them. These are available from John Lewis, and actually let me try and show you. Oh, there's a chocolate which is exclusive to John Lewis, which are these black truffles. They are very nice. The only thing is with Quality Street and with any of these assorted chocolate boxes, there's always some chocolates that are kind of left to last. I personally really don't like these, but my boyfriend just asked for one and he picked these out of all of them. But a quick tip, because you may already know this but I didn't, these are incredible, and I'd never had them before. Previously I just liked the purples, the greens and the triangles, but recently these have been my faves. And then online you can also personalise a Toblerone with whatever you want. I have my name. I recently joked that actually I put my name on all my chocolates because I don't want people to think that they can have some. Obviously joking. It's just a little slip, but yeah, I just think it's cool. I think anything personalised is great as a gift because it just shows that you've put in that little bit of effort, and it just shows that you've gone out of your way to get someone's name put on something, and it wasn't like a last minute thought at the petrol station on your way to their house. I love this. I just think it's so funny and so fun. This is Fuckboy Tears, which is a gin liquor. I haven't tried it, so I can't confirm whether it's nice or not, but it's like pink glitter and it's covered in fuckboys. I just think this is really fun. It's a great gift for a friend. It's great if you're doing a Secret Santa. It's definitely a conversation starter as well. I really, really like this. And then my final item is quite a random one, but I just think it's cute, and these are unicorn USB lights. They're 7 soft glowing LED lights. They look like this, and they're just a really cute fun. They're just a really cute fun phone charger. There's 4 pink unicorns, 3 white unicorns, and it comes with an interchangeable adapter. I don't know what to call it, but it fits both Samsungs and iPhones as well, which is cool and I really like. And these are available from Prezi Box, and they have loads of great gifts as you'd expect. But that's the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a few ideas from this. Let me know how you're getting on with your Christmas shopping. I am very, very almost finished. I have like maybe 1 or 2 gifts more to buy, and I know exactly what I'm getting. I just need to get it now. So I'm very excited because I sometimes get a little bit overwhelmed by all the wrapping and the buying and all that sort of stuff, but I'm actually really, really on top of it this year, so I'm very proud. I'm basically like giving myself a tap on the back. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all very soon. Bye.